Energy is what allows us humans to live a normal life. It powers our homes, our computers, and our rockets that we want to send into space. Right now, we get it from failing dams, dirty coal plants, and power plants that create horrible nuclear waste. Yet the sun seems to have virtually limitless energy. We could build a megastructure with the scope of a star called a Dyson Sphere. This could power our species for millions of years and provide us with virtually limitless energy. It was theorized by British-American theoretical physicist Freeman Dyson. So, what would it look like? A solid shell enveloping the sun is probably not a good idea, since the sun's gravity will pull it in and destroy it. A more viable solution would be a set of orbiting panels creating a Dyson Swarm. To make this, we'd need to mine up Mercury and some asteroids near the Sun and the Earth. To launch the probes into space, we'd probably use some sort of railgun, since Mercury has less gravity and they're cheaper than rockets. If a comet were to crash into the Dyson Swarm, it would only damage a few of the satellites, but not the entire structure, which is progress. We will need enormous rockets to carry the infrastructure to Mercury so we can start mining for the resources. Once the panels are done, we'll be able to capture a lot of energy, and there's a lot of energy to steal. The sun shines with the energy of 1 trillion nuclear bombs per second, and the furnace power is about 200 quintillion times more powerful than a nuclear plant. In other words, this is 400 septillion watts of solar energy. With this much energy, anything is possible. So, why do it on Mercury? Why don't you do it on Mars or Venus? Well, Mercury is ideal because it has lots of solar energy and it's closer to the sun, which means you don't have to use rockets and can rely solely on railguns. But now there's a problem. We need the actual energy to put the parts of the Dyson Swarm together. Well, luckily we're an advanced species and we've got enough energy to do that. Anyway, the constructing Dyson Sphere would give us enough energy to do the rest. Then, we might find more efficient ways of generating electricity, such as harnessing the gravitational energy of a black hole. But that's a story for another Head for Science video. Thank you so much for watching.